Well, there's a breaking news coming in. The Indian Air Force's prowess is on display again. And it's coming in from Uttar Pradesh, Shahjahanpur. The Indian Air Force's prowess is on display. Fighter jets such as the Rafale, MiG-29, Mirage 2000 and others practice landing at India's first ever night landing strip built on the Ganga Expressway in Uttar Pradesh, Shahjahanpur. The 3.5-kilometer long airstrip is capable of both day and nighttime landings of Air Force jets, allowing around-the-clock military operations and to assess the expressway's viability as an alternative runway during emergencies. The takeoff and landing drill comes at a crucial time when India and Pakistan are at an all-time high in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack, which happened on April 22nd when Pakistan-sponsored terrorists shot dead 26 innocent people in cold blood. And to get more on that, we're going to cut live to our Assistant Director for Foreign Affairs, Siddhant Sibal. Siddhant, what can you tell us about it?
Well, this is something that was due. In fact, everyone is now waiting for the visuals. In fact, everyone was waiting since morning for the visuals of the fighter jets getting airborne and landing as well. The fighter jets include the Rafale fighter jets as well. And we know that, as you pointed out, in fact, the crucial timing is something that will be closely watched. We know that there has been a build-up of sorts by the Pakistani side. Yesterday, we saw the Pakistani Army Chief Munir also addressing the forces and drumming up the drum beats of war in many ways, I would say. But essentially from the Indian side, it has been quiet. But these are some visuals that will play to the gallery, of course, especially in Pakistan, where there have been a lot of information coming of an Indian strike. But all in all, for India, it is testing its own capabilities. We know that India has been substantially working on its domestic capabilities, both the air assets, the warships. In fact, just earlier this week, we saw the signing of the Rafale M, that is Marine fighter jets agreement between India and France, where France has emerged and is an important defense partner of India. In fact, India got the first major consignment of Rafale fighter jets in last few years as well, which are important to strengthen India's own air capabilities. But not only air, but also in terms of the issue, the emerging challenges in the wider Indian Ocean region. India has been essentially working on building capabilities when it comes to the Indian Navy as well. In fact, the Rafale M, the marine fighter jets, will be used by India's aircraft carrier INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. So largely the focus is on building defense capabilities, but also focus on local manufacturing when it comes to Make in India defense. For that, we know that India has been trying to pitch itself as an exporter of defense equipment, be it Philippines with the BrahMos deal, be it Armenia, or be it France as well. In fact, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to France saw that how India basically pitched the Pinaka to the French side as well. So largely these visuals are symbolic of India's rising caliber in terms of building defense capabilities, in terms of making sure that India is able to send a message to its enemies in the region as well. And of course, timing is something that will be counted on as well. We know that a lot of misinformation is coming from the Pakistani side over India's defense deployment, but that is not clearly the case. But these are some visuals that is something that not only the region will be watching, but also it will be watched across the world.
Right, Siddhant, thanks for helping us comb through the information and misinformation that's coming in. We'll be closely monitoring the situation, but for now, thanks for getting us that report.